Okay, let me check on that. Hey Siri, show me a hidden gem in North Central Phoenix, please.
Here's what I found. 851 East Village Circle Drive North. Located in the heart of Moon Valley, one of North Central Phoenix's most scenic and sought-after neighborhoods, The Villages. You're just minutes from top golf courses, dreamy hiking trails, and all your favorite brunch spots. This community also features its own private pool and tennis courts, exclusively for homeowners. Get ready to fall in love, because this home blends thoughtful upgrades with cozy charm, all in one of the most welcoming neighborhoods in the valley. Step inside to a warm and inviting living room that flows seamlessly into the dining space, perfect for hosting or just kicking back with takeout and your favorite people. Then, the heart of the home, your fully remodeled kitchen. Granite countertops, a massive island, and upgraded stainless steel appliances. A spacious open layout, perfect for dinner parties, game nights, or your future TikTok cooking fails. Cozy fireplace detected, ideal for books, wine, or dramatic movie marathons. Freshly remodeled bathrooms with spa-like vibes. 3 comfy bedrooms, space for the family, the in-laws, and maybe even a hobby room. The backyard, lush with mature trees, and your own private gate to the community walking path. Perfectly located. Move-in ready. All that's missing is you.
Wow, what a beautiful home.
Siri really did a good job with this one.
She sure did, and we would love to know what you guys think too. Please comment below. Give us your feedback.